Hello and welcome to another episode of Dephemberember. Today is December the 13th and the prompt of Dephemberember is acetate and banner. The materials are acetate and banner, and the animal is going to be a seahorse. So let's do this. Well, I got this bag that is acetate, and I cut the bottom part of the bag thinking about the ocean and the sea. So inside the bag, I'm going to be placing a little bit of these little sparkly hexagons that I have here. They're gonna go inside because this remembers me so much about the foam in the ocean. So I'm gonna cut this a little bit, and I also choose this pink because it's really dark and vibrant, and it's gonna be like matching with those little sparks of pink and red on my seahorse. So let's cut this. I'm gonna go the closest I can. It's gonna be nicer this way without the frame and without all this material that I'm taking away. So this is now my seahorse, and it's totally different. You can see the difference here, and now it's gonna go in the ocean. Yay! Have fun, my horse. To end this here and to close this, I'm just going to use a tiny piece of this Scotch tape. Cut a little piece and close the envelope, the acetate envelope, from the side. So with a tiny piece of tape or Scotch tape. That's one. I'm gonna leave just the minimum amount like that. So I clip it in the corners so it's not easily seen from the front part. We can always go with something creative here, or we can apply glue, and the glue, as you know, is clear, so it's not gonna be seen at the end of the project. So now we have the banner here, and I want you to notice that I did this banner like same way on both sides. And if you can see here, this is there and this is there. But what I want to do is have this fold, but not in half, so you can see the horse probably a little bit more into this side like that. And I'm gonna do it right away. So I fold it on this side, and then I wanna fold this probably in this way. And this goes down. So I want something like kind of asymmetrical pattern like so. And here I am going to leave this as a pocket. So imagine that we want to have this jar there, so we can go and place the jar or anything. In this case, it's going to be related to the horse and to today's project. I need to glue the horse into the banner, but leaving a space. Exactly. And also remember that the horse can move, and these particles, they can move and go all the way. Look at how nice it looks. So there, probably a little bit more here. So we have this edge close to the bag, and now I just need this line of glue. So it's this line. Also we need the clips, so we are sure that this is not gonna move anywhere. I don't think we're going to need a glue in this flaps here. I'm just gonna leave it like that, And I'm gonna give this a touch of a little bit of the ocean. What I'm gonna be doing is, what about having this separate from the bottom part and place this inside the acetate or in the back, so we can have like the idea of the background is gonna be the water in the ocean, which is, for me, is really, really nice. It's really different, original. And I have these materials. I used the other piece of this lace in yesterday's ephemera, which was a lace and a postcard. So I invite you to watch that video because it's really, really nice. And this is my ocean. Yay! And it's, you know what? It was perfect. It's the size of the bag. Cut the excess here. This is one, and this is the top. Wow, I love it. Look, this is the back and this is the front part. Here I'm gonna do something fun. I have my pastel. So this is oil pastel, hexagonal. It's a nice shape and they're super, super nice to use and to incorporate in your project. So what I'm going to be doing is tracing the banner. I'm going to trace it with blue. And they're kind of mixing together. So we are mixing blue with pink, and we're having like kind of this light purple here, which is really nice and I love. So this is one part, and I'm going to make sure that I have the other part. So here this is how the ephemera is looking so far. I'm just realized that I need to glue the bottom part, so it's going to become a real pocket now. Let's do this. It's not, I forgot to place the glue here, but nothing happens. Everything can be solved. So that, and I'm gonna clip it so it can be gluing. And more glue to this guy here. There, and I need another clip, so this is not gonna go anywhere. I am going to let this dry. This is the ephemera so far, and I'll be back. In order to finish this project, I have these little shells. There are mini shells, and I have this tiny piece of coffee dye paper. I also made this tag with a print of shells, and here in the back you have like some notes about the ocean, like for example, over 400 species of shells have been found on our beaches. Take a trip from the locals, however, and take nothing but photographs and leave nothing but footprints. Here we have palm trees aren't really trees. It sounds crazy, but it's true. As it turns out, palm trees are technically a grass. So I have these like curious notes about the ocean, and I'm gonna convert this into a tag. It's just a tiny dot of glue for my little piece of coffee dye paper. And now I'm going to choose this one. It's super mega nice, and look at all those details there. I love it. I'm going to show you how it's going to be the final look of my today's ephemera. This is an amazing project. I love the seahorse and I really love the ocean in the back, the bubbles for the foam, these two flaps coming out from the banner, and the secret pocket with this amazing tag with curiosities about the ocean in Florida, USA, and this is the final project. This means that I need to go to my prompt list for Dephemberember 2022 and just do the check for day 13. So day 13 is over and we create our beautiful ephemera for December 13, 2022. Be safe, take care, and come back to my channel. Subscribe, leave me a comment and a like, and see you soon, friends. Bye bye, friends. Bye, friends. Bye bye.